Hello guys, today I'm going to teach you how to develop a model from scratch, a very basic one for classification. In this free project, I'm developing a model to classify rice images. In this dataset, I have health pictures or health images and two types of diseases. And before we develop a model, let's do EDA with Pandas Profiling in just one line of code. This is a very easy method of analyzing your data with just one line of code. This Pandas Profiling gives you a full report about your data and every other detail that you want to know about your data. So let's start. Let's first import the necessary libraries. For this case, we shall start with importing pandas as PD, and then from there we shall load our data. And for my case, I have my data in my drive, so I'll use from google.colab import drive. I've already mounted my drive already. If you haven't, you can run this code. For this lesson to be helpful, you need to do these things from scratch as I type. You can type with me. I'm going to analyze my train dataset and test dataset. So I'll save my train dataset as train df, and I'll use pd.read_csv to read my data. So I dive into my drive, locate the source of my dataset. So as you can see, it is right there. I just copy the path, I bring it to my code. I'll do the same for this dataset. We are now done with loading our data. So let's proceed and explore our data. And in this case, we shall install Pandas Profiling. We shall start with pip install. You can actually check on the website and for the right spellings and everything, or any other information you would wish to know about Pandas Profiling, its use, etc. So here we use pip install Pandas Profiling. It will take a few seconds to run. After installing our Pandas Profiling library, let's now continue and import a report. From pandas_profiling, import profile report. I'm going to create two reports, one for train dataset and the second one for this dataset. Let's go ahead and check what is in our reports. Let me call my train report, train_report. I also do the same for my test report. to take just a second to download everything. Well, our test and train datasets, train reports are ready. Let's navigate through and see what we have. Here we have variables, we have labels. In this case, I have blast, blown, and health images. You can click more and see more other details about our dataset. We have overview, we have variables, missing values, we have samples. You can navigate through and see what you have from your end depending on the dataset that you're using. So it is giving me the samples, the first columns, first rows of my dataset. As you can see, I don't have any missing value, so I'm good to go. So if you have some missing values, you can proceed and do data cleaning and sorting. Let's also analyze our test report and see what we have. In our test report, we only have image IDs, we don't have labels. And for my train report, I had labels and images. I guess you know why. So you can go ahead and save your dataset or save your report as an HTML file. I'm going to save two reports, one for my test dataset and the second one for my train dataset. You can do analysis outside Colab, or in case you're doing a data analytics job, you can share these reports with your bosses to gain more insights on their product, on their businesses. This Pandas profiling is very helpful and helps you generate a full report with just one line of code. It has more details. I got this dataset from Zindi platform. I'll leave the link in the description. And if you want to know more about the model that I'm developing, please like, subscribe, share with your friends, and follow my next videos. These reports will be saved in your drive. Let's refresh. As you can see, the reports are already there, the train and test. You can share these reports with your bosses. Thank you for watching.